Chewing gum? Problem solved. Don't throw away eggshells. Here's how you can reuse them to fertilize your plants. After crushing them, leave them to soak for 4 hours. The water will be enriched with the nutrients from the shells. Like this, the bag won't be properly closed. This is the correct way to tie it closed. Quickly made latte? Do this. Delicious. A creative hack for your kitchen. After arranging the skewers, glue the lid to the base and remove the bottle. A beautiful DIY fruit basket. Rice in water releases starch, but that's not all. This cloudy water is rich in phosphorus and potassium and is a natural, nitrogen-free fertilizer and is great for lowering the pH of the soil. A tip to remember next time you cook rice. Coffee is another all-natural fertilizer that you can use at home. You can reuse the coffee grounds to make a nitrogen-rich fertilizer, perfect for your flowers and plants. Here's how to use a sponge to run a bubble bath. Wow! Here's an easy hack dedicated to all mothers. This makes car trips much less boring.